Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find equalizer in our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To access our equalizer, to customize our sounds and music, we have to go to the settings. We're looking for sound options, sound and vibration. Here sound quality and effects, and here is our equalizer. By default it's normal. We can change what we need or use custom to mess around with our sound settings a bit, and just back out. No need to save or anything. Now it's used. We choose rock, for example. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.